Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the page crawlable and visible. First, fetch your URL with a tester or curl to confirm a 200 OK response. If you see redirects, follow them and update canonical tags. Next, open robots. TXT and remove or adjust any disallow lines blocking the path, and make sure your sitemap lists the URL. Once done, check page HTML for a noindex meta tag or xrobots tag header, and remove it so crawlers can index the content. Once crawlability is confirmed, you focus on content quality and indexing signals. You must ensure the page has unique, useful content. Add clear H1/H2 headings, at least 300 words, and relevant structured data to help parsers. If duplicate content exists, consolidate by implementing 301 redirects or setting a canonical to the preferred URL. This prevents index bloat. Also, make sure internal links point from authoritative pages with descriptive anchor text so crawlers discover and attribute value. Then request indexing after changes. Finally, you request indexing and watch results. Open Search Console and use URL inspection to submit the page for indexing, then inspect the coverage report for errors like soft 404 or blocked resources. Make sure mobile rendering matches desktop and that page speed is within acceptable ranges. Slow rendering can prevent indexing. Monitor server logs to see crawler activity over the next 2 weeks. If the page remains unindexed, recheck backlinks, remove any remaining blockages, and consider reissuing the indexing request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.